Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This is how a Himalayan should sound, man. I'd love to hear this from the outside. What is up, YouTube? My name is Vinny and welcome to Road Blast Media. Before we crack on with this video, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And yeah, so today we are going to be installing the Lextek SA1 slip-on silencer for my Royal Enfield Himalayan. Now, if you would like to purchase this exhaust for yourself, big thank you to Lextek for sending me one down to test out and review. I'm really looking forward to this install, but if you want to purchase one for yourself, there'll be a link down in the description below. It's a very affordable exhaust, and by the looks of it, it is very high quality. You've got a carbon fiber tip here, removable baffle. It's a beautiful looking exhaust. You've got the Lextek logo on there. It feels like a very solid build. It's not rattly at all. It doesn't feel cheap, but for the money, you're really getting a solid slip-on, and it's really competitive pricing compared to the other ones. Plus, I reckon it looks the best. So let's get this installed. I'll do a little step-by-step, not really like a tutorial, just show you how I go step-by-step on the way through if I run into any problems, and any advice that I can give you guys for installing an exhaust on your Himalayan. So yeah, let's crack on with the video. Alright guys, have the exhaust off. It was really simple to remove, as they always are. One massive thing I noticed is the standard Himalayan exhaust is substantially heavier, like a good, I don't know, kilo or two over the Lextek, way lighter. So yeah, a good weight loss with the Lextek exhaust. Now we're off to a great start. I think it also looks a lot better, a bit more slimline. So yeah, now we're going to apply a little bit of an exhaust sealant over that after we clean it, that Lextek has supplied. It takes about 30 minutes to set, and then 10 minutes idle to heat it, and then it all sets in place. So I will be back in a second with the exhaust all installed. Alright guys, the exhaust is all installed now. It's looking really good. I just got to give the sealant a little bit of time to dry up, and then I can start it up, and we should be right as rain. It's looking really good. It suits the bike well, so yeah, we'll see how it sounds, eh? Okay guys, it is the next day here, so we finally have sunlight, and I have removed the baffle out of the exhaust so we can get like a proper sound, because it sounds, the good thing actually about this exhaust is it sounds very similar to the original with the baffle in, so you can choose to be nice and quiet and tame, or you can take the baffle out That's what I'm talking about. That sounds good, man. That's like the best sounding single I've ever heard. Oh my god. Sounds like a bloody competition dirt bike or something. Yeah, we'll get this thing out on the road. I'll meet you guys on the saddle, and I'll give you my impressions of how it rides with the exhaust and how it sounds actually out on the road. So see you soon. Okay guys, now to put the Himalayan exhaust to the test. No baffle at all. So I had taken this for a quick ride with the baffle in. It is very similar to stock standard with the baffle in, but it's a whole different story without the baffle. So let's give it a check. Oh man, oh I gotta love that. It sounds like a full-on, like, you know, one of those 400cc bloody old school dirt bike single cylinder monsters. This has completely changed the bike, and honestly, like just on my way over here, it's got noticeably a bit more poke, like there's possibly a placebo effect from just having a bit more noise going on, but it makes the bike sort of turn into full hooligan mode, as they say. It makes it into a bit more of a monster, and you have a bit more fun riding this thing. Woo! Oh, I love that sound, man. It's totally woken it up, and you know, like, I just, oh, you can't beat it. Oh man, Oh, this is super fun. It's like, it's really good because I'm so glad that the Baffle makes it as quiet as it does, because when you have the Baffle in it, it's really hard to tell factory from aftermarket, you know. But so if you want to be quiet and you know you want to have like a bit more of a relaxing ride with just one bolt or one little screw, you can, you know, like you can put the Baffle in and make it sound like factory, and you know you can do your driving tests and things like that, and it's not going to be too loud. But or if you need to take it for a warrant of fitness and things like that as well, like you just chuck the Baffle in and everything will be a-okay. But when with the Baffle out, it makes it a whole new animal. So you can actually control if you want to be a bit of a hooligan, or if you want to be you know, sort of more relaxed. And I love that. It's good, best of both worlds. The exhaust looks great, and I'm just loving the sound, man. It just makes, oh, it makes me have so much fun. See this road, eh? Alright, so yeah, value for money wise, this is a great exhaust. You can't beat the price. It's really wicked. The sound that it makes is absolutely incredible. This bike has been unlocked. Just listen to it. It sounds like a bloody old school like trials bike or something. Like, because you still got the air cooled single, so it's like, it's definitely more like throaty and more sort of nasty sounding than your typical like water cooled single of these days. And this Lextek exhaust just does it so much justice because of how solidly built it is. It makes it like, it's not tinny or anything. It gives it a nice throaty bark, and I really like it. Man, this road is good as. This is the first time I've taken it. Woo! Oh man, Lextek, you guys really know how to make an exhaust. I honestly couldn't recommend this enough to you guys. If you're looking to get an exhaust, you can't go past it. It's easily the best priced for the quality. I know you can get cheaper ones, but they would sound like crap, man. Like this is definitely the best price for the best quality, 100%. 100%. You got your carbon fiber tip, very solidly built exhaust. Listen to those backfires, man. Oh, it's wicked. Alright. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh man, what a great upgrade. Teamed up with like an air filter, it's a brilliant upgrade, you know. And I just, even those like low rev sort of pulls, it just gives it a bloody like bar, like a bark, you know, like it's a dog and it's breathing fire. Oh, got it straight. Woo! Oh man, it really does make the bike feel a little bit more sporty and woken up, you know. Like, it did feel a bit restricted with the old exhaust, and it probably is all a bit of a placebo effect. But seriously, for the amount of money you pay, it really changes the bike, and I feel like it is a lot faster. Oh man. Oh, I'm just loving this Himalayan, by the way. I love how it handles. It is the most fun bike for twisty corners ever. Just changing through all the gears. Oh, trucks crossing. Oh, we're gonna get pretty slim here. Whey! Nah, seriously, Lextek, you guys have bloody nailed it. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This is how a Himalayan should sound, man. I'd love to hear this from the outside. Now, I've never been the biggest fan of like the sound that a single makes. Royal Enfield has changed my mind on that massively, and Lextek is just helping unlock that sound even more. Seriously, don't go past this exhaust if you're looking for one for your Himalayan. The removable baffle is so handy. Like just being able to have best of both worlds. It's nice and quiet with the baffle in, pass all your inspections easy as. Soon as you want to have some fun, rip that baffle out and you'll be having fun all day long, smiling, and people will hear you, you know. Man, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh my god. Man, man, I cannot believe this. This is just wicked. What a road. This is literally the first time I've ever driven this road, ever, in a car or motorbike. The Himalayan is just a great bike for these roads, man. Like off-road or not, this bike can boogie in corners. Like, I would honestly say, with a properly skilled rider, it'd be hard to keep up with one of these. Oh, oh, yo, Coyote Falls Road, eh? That looks all gravel, man. Let's go, let's go. See how the exhaust fares off-road. Oh man, ooh, ooh, I'm gonna take it a bit easier, guys, because you know. Oh yo, oh, it's all gravel here, baby, it's all gravel here. Oh, the exhaust is just wicked for this off-road sort of stuff, man, because you're definitely lower in the revs, and it makes such a great sound lower in the revs. Oh, okay, so we've got a bit of street riding, and we've also got a bit of off-road to show you the exhaust can fare both. Oh, neutraled it. Oh man, this bike has honestly been awakened. It's honestly been awakened, man. Like, I know some people are like, oh, an exhaust makes it louder, whatever. Like, and yeah, it's probably not doing too much to the performance. It probably isn't. But at the end of the day, I've cut weight. The bike sounds like a bloody wild animal now, and yeah, I'm just absolutely stoked with this. This is brilliant. This is brilliant. I would highly recommend it to any Himalayan owner wanting to wake their bike up a little bit more, as they say. All right, we got the bridge here. Ooh. Shit, this is a beautiful road, man. I can't believe this is like a first time for me. Oh, oh, I love this thing, man. It's just, honestly, I love this bike every single day. Like, I love it more every single day. This exhaust is just like times my love for this bike by like 3, 4, 5, you know. Like, I can picture myself just taking this bike every time. Baffle's not going back in, by the way. Each to their own. Like, it's there if you want it, but Baffle's not going back in. I'm sorry to say it, but Himalayan's going to be screaming and popping, crackling and breathing fire. It's just how it is, guys. It's just how it is. Listen to that! Oh, hell yeah. Ooh. Straight out of the corner. Oh, it just feels like it can breathe, man. It can bloody breathe. Oh. Oh. Okay, we've reached a stop. We've reached a stop. Okay. I'm happy with that. That's enough for today. Oh, okay. Yeah. So, Lextek exhaust. Definite yes. If you're thinking about an exhaust, I would say 100% go for it. Can't go past it. Value for money wise, you got the Baffle, you got best of both worlds. It's light, looks good, looks the part, easy to install. Lextek service is great. Like, they'll reply to emails really quickly. Their shipping is super quick. Got it within like a week, and that came from another country. Super happy with this exhaust. It's high quality, it looks great, sounds great, and it has made my Himalayan so much more fun to ride, even though it was already super fun. Look at that, we basically got like no strips left on those tires. That was probably the hardest I'd ever ridden it. It's one of those exhausts, man. It just does it for it. Looks great, sounds great, is great. So the link in the description below if you want to buy that exhaust. Thanks again to Lextek for sending me this and letting me try it out. I'm super stoked with it. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. This is Vinny from Road Blast Media.